Hi, I'm Maria Chernus, Academic Coordinator at ABHISHEK Coaching. Are you or your child feeling stuck, spending evenings and weekends wrestling with concepts only to see great sleep? Despite all that hard work, here we understand how precious your time is and how frustrating it can be when traditional tuition just isn't cutting. That's why we've created dual teachers, real life teachers working side by side with cutting-edge AI teachers with graphics and animations. You get expert guidance and personalized visual learning, all at the same tuition or courses fee that you are already paying. Science shows us our brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than just a plain text. That's why we blend live classes with AI-driven technologies and animations to make every concept crystal clear, whatever subject it may be. You will watch your child grow, not just academically, but also in confidence and curiosity. Are you ready to transform the way your child learns? So, visit www.abhishekcoaching.com, WhatsApp us, or just give us a call.